Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got a CLA 45 AMG, and yeah, so this is Mark's car. Mark, you got anything to say about it?
It's a fun car. I love this car.
Yeah, so let's go take a look at the exterior real quick. Head around back, see the exhaust pipes right here, pretty clean. You want to give it a few revs?
Yeah.
All right, for sure. Alright, it sounds pretty good. So it's got a 2.5 liter inline-four. How many horsepower? Like 280?
No, that's like almost 400.
Oh, you did some other stuff to it. Alright. Yeah, so it's a pretty clean car. Yeah, let's go for
here. Wait, let me open up the rear windows.
Alright, for sure, yeah. Pops sound like so nice. So like how high are you getting it to? You get up to like 3,000 and then you hear pops?
I mean, you can really hear pops throughout the whole RPM range.
Yeah. Alright, sure.
Yeah. You stand right here and I'll turn around.
Alright, alright, guys.
You can probably also...
Alright, Mark, so a few questions about the car. Like, it's pretty sick. So like, how'd you get it anyways?
So my friend was selling it, and now he has an R8, but he was selling this, and he gave me a really good deal. And yeah, he's my family friend, so I bought it, and now this is what I drive. I used to drive a Rocket Bunny FRS, but this is a bit faster, a bit more fun, looks better, so.
Yeah, so it looks nice. So what paint you got?
So it's a
factory.
It's a custom factory matte silver paint job. It's about it's a $7,000 option, but unfortunately it's hard to maintain. You can't really take it to a car wash, so you have to use special soap for it.
Alright, so
exhaust wise, it's pretty much straight piped from or I took it to a shop and I got it straight piped from the factory. It's not that loud, but now it's very loud and it pops a lot.
Yeah, so let me just get the exterior real quick. Of course, we have the turbo logo on the AMG side, the rims, the red brake calipers. All right, now we're pulling back into school, so we can get a few reactions from these students that just got out. All right.
I'll see you. Thank you, Frankie.
All right. All right. So this is Mark's CLA 45 AMG, and overall it's a great car, really loud, and has the most horsepower for an inline-four. And yeah, so thank you so much, Mark.
No problem. Thank you.
Yep. I will